Got a minute? Great. Let's jet off with some quick travel tips.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
The world of travel is wide and varied, and like any journey we're about to embark on, the first step is always the preparation. You see, the art of packing is often misunderstood and undervalued. It's not just about cramming your stuff into, it's a delicate process, a science even. The secret: roll, don't fold. This method not only saves space but also helps avoid those unsightly wrinkles on your clothes. Imagine arriving at your destination with your wardrobe looking fresh and ready to wear. That's the beauty of rolling. Moving on, let's about budget accommodations. You're probably thinking about hostels, right? Well, think again. Hostels aren't your only option, and sometimes not your best either. Enter the world of vacation rentals and home swaps, the unsung heroes of budget travel. These alternatives offer a much wider range of experiences and often greater privacy. Imagine waking up in a local's home, experiencing their city through their eyes. It's not just an accommodation, it's a novel way to experience a new place. Navigating a foreign city can be daunting. The labyrinth of streets, the strange languages, the unfamiliar customs, it can all be overwhelming. But here's the trick: ditch the tourist map. Yes, you heard it right. Those maps are designed for tourists, not travelers. They show you what they want you to see, not what you should see. Go local. Use apps for public transportation. In the age of technology, these apps are a godsend. They not only guide you to destination but also help you explore the city like a local, giving you a closer look at the city's heart and soul. And speaking of locals, befriend them. Conversations with locals can reveal the city's best-kept secrets. Know the best spots, the best food, the best views. They know their city like the back of their hand. In those conversations, in those friendships, you'll find the city's true spirit, far removed from the glitzy tourist spots. Now let's talk about safety. Traveling is about taking risks, but calculated ones. Always have a photocopy of your passport just in case. It's a small step, but it can save you a world of trouble. Lost passports are a common woe of travelers, and a photocopy can help expedite the process of getting a replacement. And remember, the best travel experiences come from stepping out of your comfort zone. Embrace the foreign, the unfamiliar, dive into the local culture, try food, dance in the local festivals, learn a few words in the local language. These are the experiences that make travel worth it, that make us grow, that make us truly global citizens. So next time you pack your bags, remember these tips. That's your globe-trotting guide in 60 seconds. Safe travels.